Imagine driving your dream car, a stunning high-performance vehicle that makes heads turn. Exotic cars represent success, craftsmanship, and individuality. As the CEO of Amari Motors, I've witnessed this passion transform into a prosperous business. Today, I'll share vital tips for buying, selling, and investing in exotic vehicles. Let's dive in. When buying an exotic car, first determine your budget. Prices vary greatly, so set a clear limit before browsing. Remember to consider additional costs like maintenance and insurance. Next, conduct thorough research. Understand the make and model, read reviews, and check performance data. Investigate the car's history, including ownership and modifications. It significantly affects value. Condition is vital in your purchase decision. Focus on mechanical health over aesthetics. Have a specialist inspect the vehicle for potential issues. Resale value is essential too, even if you don't view it as an investment. Some models appreciate while others don't. Analyze market trends to predict potential future values. Now let's discuss selling your exotic car. Start by pricing it correctly. Compare similar models to avoid undervaluing it. Prepare your car for sale. Ensure it's clean and well maintained. Minor repairs and maintenance records highlight your vehicle's care. Market your car using platforms like AutoTrader and social media. Consider partnering with a broker or dealership for a smooth process. Investing in exotic cars can also be rewarding. Study market trends, as certain models appreciate greatly. Seek rare limited edition vehicles since scarcity enhances value. Always consider the car's condition and provenance. Well-maintained vehicles retain more value. Remember, investing in exotic cars requires patience and is a long-term strategy. The right models appreciate over time, yielding both financial rewards and driving pleasure. Buying, selling, and investing in exotic cars is more than a hobby, it's a lifestyle. With knowledge, these vehicles can provide excitement and financial gain. Are you ready to start your exotic car journey? Research, find your dream car, or explore investing today.